What's going on, YouTube? You already know. Been bumming Red's garage because it's a little nicer than mine. So, he's coming. So far, I got the head, the F23 for the van. So, taking the head apart. Got the cam over there, head bolts, and all this crap. And right now, I'm popping off all the springs and retainers and all the valves. I got the rebuild kit right there. We got a red Civic running again after we blew the other motor with the 1.5 in there because he over boosted it. And so far, progress is being made in here. So the Civic is running good. It still needs a tune and all that crap. So it's not running the greatest, but he's having fun with it. It's boosting, so you feel a nice. You can shred it a little bit. You can shred it. Fuck that. Watch the smile that's on his face.
I ain't stepped on it though. I don't want to break it. Driving, doing a little puttering, but you're getting too much fuel right now.
How you feel though? Exactly, my man. So, calling that man. Been here for like 2 days, gonna get it started. It was a little bit of headache. I was busy, but we always come together. You can check out. He's gonna start a YouTube channel. So it's gonna be I don't know, Red's Garage or whatever name he thinks for himself. But other than that, it's progress.
I drove around, just chilling. And then I passed by where you was trying to buy the VTEX Illinois.
Yeah.
He's like, come on, let's race. I said, not yet, man. Yeah. I still need a chip computer and tune.
Yeah. Man, he's running off with just gas right now. Made it work.
And it stopped.
Yeah. Let it cool
I'm
down.
trying to see the boost gauge first. I'm gonna have to order a different boost gauge. I'm gonna have to order one not digital. That's just ass.
Him coming at me about don't be cursing on the YouTube. And that's all he does. So. What you gonna name your YouTube channel, Red?
Who, mine?
No, Red's Garage.
Probably Red's Garage. I don't know. Little Red's Garage.
So, he's gonna put Little Red's Adventures, but I was like, it sounds like some pedophile shit.
I know, I ain't even record this.
Sorry. I got one that I'll tag you. You gotta get your channel so I can tag you and stuff.
Right.
But yeah. It's the progress. Civic's done, so almost
so
done.
It's done, so I don't see no more leaking. She ain't leaking no more oil, so that's good. Thermostat ain't leaking no more, so that's good. Now it's just I gotta get a chip computer and get a tune. At least a bass map tune.
Yeah. Somebody who can run it.
Yeah. And I gotta get a few pressure regulators. Cause the one I got,
it don't fit.
It don't fit. Yeah. So hopefully it fit. Yeah. Hopefully it fit yours.
And it's Red's truck. Call it Patches.
Patches.
I got the CB7. We call her Dingy because she got a lot of dents.
It's gonna be crazy because you know what? When I'm ready to paint my truck, I'm gonna get enough paint to paint this car too. I'm gonna paint it the same color as the truck.
Twins. And you got extra, we'll paint the CB7 too. And like that, have triplets.
Take it to the track on the truck.
And it'll be free paint for me. So.
Yeah. She getting there, man. She running nice.
Surprise for now. Oh yeah, the latest edition. We built the car during the Corona crisis. We had to give it some Corona. People know. This car is powered by the virus. It's
I
got
was
the,
gonna try that bitch walks garage. And I'm like, you know what? Man, he's here by himself. I ain't even gonna do that.
alright.
I was gonna put the bumper on. Boop, try that shit right over there.
Well, till the next time.
Oh, shit.
Keep doing his head and all that.
$5 heater.
Hopefully, I'll buy some Eagle rods. Hopefully, some money comes in. So I'll buy me my Eagle rods. Put Eagle rods in there, so I'll be ready for boost. And then, you know, like I said in the beginning, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Building the van and all that, but it's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. But you know, patience, man. And hopefully, we'll be running 11, 12 pounds on the van.
So, man, you got some clips right